Hello, Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you for showing me so much of love, so much of support. Thank you everyone. This video is something about craft and painting. So let's see what it's about. So this is a canvas and I am drawing a rough sketch of the outline of the picture I want to draw. So I took a pencil and it's a rough sketch how it will look like. So I took a tissue, then some water, and I teared it into pieces, small pieces exactly, so that it will soak in water and become soft. After that, I grind it. I have grinded it, which I haven't shown in this video. I have grinded it into pieces, small pieces. Then I have added uh, Fevicol to each of the parts. I need 3 colors, so I took it in 3 colors. If you need more colors, you can divide it accordingly. First I added brown, then some yellow and some cobalt blue. Then I mixed it and it came out so wonderful colors and it looks so beautiful. See? Now just take a tweezer. I took this, you can have a eyebrow tweezer or something like that. It's available in Amazon, and just arrange those tiny tissues into the canvas. I took the brown part, then I'm arranging the yellow part. Look how beautiful it looks. The color is so vibrant. It looks so wonderful. It just makes me so happy to see the wonderful colors which came out. And I just arranged the tissues in the outline manner. I'm arranging now the cobalt blue color in the same pattern I did for the brown and yellow. See, looks so superb with this detailing also. It looks so 3D pattern. It looks so different. I love it. Then I added a little black detailing after it dried up. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more updates and more such videos. Thank you.